Hello everyone, today we are going to frame a canvas with the help of some basic tools like wood cutting machine and wood stapler gun, a hammer, scissors to cut the canvas cloth, a measuring tape or a ruler, a marking pen or a pencil. The materials that we need for this project is wood used for framing the canvas and canvas cloth as long as you desire. I had ordered a 5 meters long and 36 inches wide canvas roll from Amazon, but they cheated me and delivered 4 meters 85 centimeter long and 28 inches wide canvas roll. So we'll be using the same for today's project. Here we begin with unpacking the canvas roll. As you can see, there are several protective layers in the packing, which I would obviously not throw away but recycle them. This is 10 O's medium grain white pre-primed canvas roll which has cost me around 900 Indian rupees. First, let me inform you that we are mounting canvas cloth on 23 inches wide and 26 inches long frame. We'll cut the whole roll into 6 equal pieces with each one of it approximately 32 inches long and 28 inches wide so that it leaves approximately 3 inches folding on each side, which matches exactly to the width of 2 inches and height of 1 inch of the wooden block that we are going to use today. We'll be using deodar or devdar wood as it is lightweight, soft, firm, strong and non-bending one, which has cost me around rupees 25 per foot. Before cutting the wood into desired size, first let's sharpen the pre-cut edges of the block. Now we'll begin with cutting 6 sets of 2 blocks, which is 26 inches long. And another 6 sets of 2 blocks, which is 19 inches long. So that we can use two 26 inches long blocks vertically and two 19 inches long blocks horizontally for each wooden frame. Now it's time to use stapler gun to staple equally spaced around 4 to 5 pins on each side of each joint of the frame. The stapler gun may sometimes leave the pins loose, so you may require to hammer them to ensure firmness. You may also staple pins on third side of the joint to ensure more stability. We are ready with one of our frames. Before proceeding, we'll just quickly check the strength of every joint by pulling and twisting it in various possible directions. Also check whether the dimensions are as we desired and if it properly fits the canvas pieces. As it passes all the quality tests, now let's get done with the other frames quickly. It's time to mount the canvas cloth on the wooden frame, and you may either fold the edges of the cloth inwards and then staple it onto the frame if you appreciate elegancy, or simply do the same leaving the edges as it is. To staple the first fold on the frame is an easy task, but it becomes hard when you proceed with the opposite side of the first side. To mount the opposite side of the first side demands professionalism, because if the stretch of the cloth is even a bit loose, it can spoil the ideal tension over the canvas surface and you would struggle to paint it. Ensure that you stretch it as much as possible. Doesn't matter if you do the same in sitting or standing posture, but yes, standing posture provides good gripping and control over the canvas. It's better that you have a team of two, one who stretches and holds while the other quickly staples. It would be easier if you consider initial stapling over a spacing of a palm width and later cover the spacing by regular spaced stapling. After you're done with the first and its opposite side, next task in the list would be folding the edges smoothly, leaving no wrinkles on the painting surface. Let me show you a nice way to do the same. Try to align the edge of the fold with the edge of the frame. Staple a pin or two along the edge of the fold to ensure extra firmness. It may be a real struggle handling the first canvas, but when you learn what to do and how to do, rest of the work glides smoothly, so no worries. Here we are already with mounting, stapling and hammering of the first canvas. You may take a look at the sharpness of the edges and the spacings of the staples I have preferred. Here is an example of how a firmly mounted canvas and a loosely mounted canvas looks like. If your thumb pressure shows significant dip in the surface, you have done it all wrong. It's recommended that you undo and stretch it again following the previous guide. You will for sure gain some confidence when you complete one frame successfully. After my team completes all of the 6 frames, here is how they look like. Moreover, now each frame canvas cost me around 400 Indian rupees. Thank you for watching. If you need any other help with this thing, do comment below.